Lisa. Hi, Lisa. Welcome to Dr. Olga Lazin channel. Today we enjoy the springtime in the beautiful Transylvanian village of Vetish, where I originated together with my father. And today I prepared the elderberry juice, and here it is. I'm gonna give you the recipe, including I want to show you linden, a beautiful linden and acacia. Actually, it's, let me see, this one is an acacia tree, or in Romanian salcâm, and it is red, which is unique in the world. I've never seen, and I don't know of any other red acacia. Enjoy. So beautiful, so absolutely gorgeous. And this is a beautiful Vetish. These are the acacia flowers. I usually make teas. They are very good and calming, relaxing the nervous system. I highly recommend you to drink in case you have high anxiety, depression, or everything after pandemic disaster. So I'm gonna introduce you on how to make the juice. We call it Socata in Romanian, elderberry juice. It's a good summer refreshing drink, very healthy. This is what we are talking about, and so it takes only 9 flowers of elderberry, and then you mix it with raisins, 9 pieces of raisins, some honey, as much as you want. If you're diabetic, avoid putting honey into it, and 1 lemon sliced up very thinly. And you mix that up, and you put the juice in the sun for 24 hours, and your juice is ready. Then you can filter it and set it aside in your fridge, and you're gonna have the best drink ever. Enjoy the recipe. I will actually show it to you how I do it when I get back to the United States of America, but I've done it here in Transylvania, Vetish, beautiful Comuna Vetish. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Dr. Olga Lazin video channel. Thank you and goodbye. Keep up with recipes I put up and books I produce. Love you guys. Goodbye, my friends. Szuc. These beautiful house animals, and this is my house. It's very beautiful. You can identify it. Picture.